You guys have been an absolutely fantastic audience tonight. Thank you so much for your energy. Give yourselves a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. It's cold and you guys rocked. We see a lot of cameras and videos around. If you've got any good videos or pictures, you're more than welcome to put them on our Facebook page. Be our friend and we'll post you. Remember the name, ladies and gentlemen, Flame Oz. Available for weddings, parties, and cremations. Have an absolutely fantastic night. Don't forget, the Ice Sculpting Festival continues tomorrow from 11 o'clock. There's a speed ice sculpting competition on tomorrow. It's something that needs to be seen to be truly believed. Have an absolutely fantastic night. We hope to see you again next year.